Welcome back. Today's lecture will be based on ASP.NET Core 2.2, the latest stable version, and security and identity. So this will be a theoretical lecture but based upon a Microsoft documentation which is now described in the description link. So let's see. So this will start with an overview of ASP.NET Core security. ASP.NET Core enables developers to configure and manage security of their apps easily. The core framework contains features for managing authentication, authorization, data protection, HTTPS enforcement, app secrets, anti-request forgery protection, and cost management. As per Wikipedia definition, CORS is cross-origin resource sharing, is a mechanism that allows restricted resources on a web page to be requested from another domain outside the domain from which the first request was served. And these are some of the ASP.NET Core security features. ASP.NET Core provides tools and libraries to secure your apps, including built-in identity providers. And you can also use third-party identity servers such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can easily manage app secrets with ASP.NET Core. App secrets are a way to store and use confidential information without exposing it in the code. And what is authentication and what is authorization? An authentication is a process in which the user provides credentials which are then compared to those stored in the operating system database, app, or resource. Now, if the authenticated details taken from the user or user credentials match with those stored in the operating system database, app, or resource, then the users authenticate successfully. Now then they can perform actions that they are authorized for during an authorization process. And authorization refers to the process that determines what a user is allowed to do. So basically, if you look at it from another point of view, authentication is when the users, it's a mechanism of how it answers the question how the user will be authenticated to view to do certain tasks. Okay, and authorization is what it answers the what a user is allowed to do once authenticated. Now, common vulnerabilities in software. The following are the most common security vulnerabilities in web apps, which the ASP.NET Core and Entity Framework Core features help to secure the apps and prevent security breaches from. So cross-site scripting attacks, SQL injection attacks, cross-site request forgery, and open redirect attacks. Now these will be taken in further detail in subsequent lectures. Okay, that's it.